This video explains how to sort a pandas data frame based on the values in one of the columns of this data frame using the Python programming language. So without much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we need to create an example data frame using the data frame constructor. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is created, and we can print this data frame below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that our example data frame contains 5 rows and the 3 columns x1, x2 and x3. Now let's assume that we want to sort our data frame based on the values in the column x2. Then we can apply the code that you can see in the next code box. So in the first line of this code box, I'm using the copy function to create a duplicate of our data frame. And the reason for this is that I also want to keep an original version of our input data frame. So after running this line of code, a new pandas data frame called data new is created. And then in the next step, I'm applying the sort values function to the column x2 of this data frame. And I'm storing the output of this in our new data frame, data new. And then in the last line of this code box, I'm using the print function once again to print our updated data frame. So after running this line of code, you can see that our data frame is returned once again. However, this time we have ordered the data frame rows based on the values in the column x2. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.